Friends, we are in the midst of an unprecedented crisis. The government is doing everything in its ability to control it. We cheer all of them. Please encourage them.
The coronavirus experience is a very unique for the whole humanity in the world. None of us have gone through this experience in the past. I pray that this will not be repeated again. May human race come to realize this and turn their heart and mind to Almighty God.
Desperate times need desperate measures. I'm happy to inform you that many Xavierites have come forward to alleviate the pain of the suffering people. This is a time that we can be more compassionate. Our government has been working hard. We can join their endeavors.
We need determination, discipline and teamwork to defeat the coronavirus. Stay home, stay safe, and please follow the lockdown rules.
Together we can, and together we will. 3 cheers to medical fraternity, 3 cheers to police, 3 cheers to Xavier.
Fully comply with the advisories given by the authorities. Stay home, stay safe.
These times will pass. Pray, wait, and trust.